One quick question. Can you actually save 5,000 each month? Bro, I'm actually earning this much. How I can save? I have seen hundred of times this questions coming to me, but I don't know how to start saving and building my wealth. So hi, this is Mamta Mallecha. I'm going to guide you step-by-step guideline when you have achieved even rupees 80,000 or 20,000 salary where you can get to start saving. Even if you have nil investment and saving, you can start building that investment of rupees 5,000 each, but stay till the end to know the step-by-step guidelines where you can start just now. Before we fix the problem, let's see why it happened. Most people follow the same pattern. They have never been taught how to break this pattern. So let's see. First is they live paycheck to paycheck. When your salary comes on first and disappears at the end of month at 25th, and you live life with credit. Next is save what is left over. Whatever you do the expenses, after the expenses, whatever left over you save. Most of the people follow the same thing. After expenses, they save. Next is no budgeting system. That is no planning, no tracking. Whatever we feel, we just spend. And next is lifestyle inflation. When your salary is 3,000 and your expenses go above to 5,000, the higher prices, so you still left nothing left in your account and you can unable to save how much you can. So let's see how we can save and build our money management system. Step number 1, understand your money flow. You can't fix it until you measure. Make it as a non-negotiable task. Track every rupee you spend. Every chai, Amazon delivery or Swiggy delivery or recharge, whatever you spend, just track every rupee. Even if you write it down or an app, but just do it. After 1 or 2 weeks, make into 2 categories: needs, electricity bill, rent, bills, etc. Wants, eating out, travel, shopping, entertainment. When you track, you come to know 150 of food delivery every day for a month, it cost about 4,500, where all your savings gone for this month. This one exercise will help you to know that how much you spend every month and how you can save much better to build your wealth. Step number 2, pay yourself first. The biggest mindset you have to change is after spending you are start saving, but after saving start your spending. So whatever you're earning, even 5,000 a month, first make it automated and set up an auto transfer account where it directly goes to investment account or saving account. Think like you're paying an electricity bill every month and make it as an non-negotiable task that it automatically grows and it will help you to secure your future. Step number 3, use a budgeting rule, where this is one of the famous rule you can follow is 50:30:20. 50% towards your needs like electricity bill, rent, groceries, and 30% to your wants like restaurant, travel, shopping, entertainment, and 20% towards your saving and investment. Even if you earn a lower income, even below 50%, you can also segregate according to how much you earn. You can make 60:10:20. So it is not about that percentage, but whatever you earn, make it into a proper ratios of needs, wants, and saving and investment. So you can able to cut off all your spending. It will directly goes to your investment account. Step number 4, cut down the money leaks. Most of the money just leaking where we don't know actually where it is going. First is eating out, and we mostly spend on going for mostly outside foods. Next is unused subscriptions, where we used OTT but we have not seen 3 months, but still the subscription was there. Next is late payment charges, like we almost have some things that bill is delayed and card or any other payment and we pay the late payment charges. Next is where we do impulsive shopping, where we go for a limited deal and we shop so much. So these are the small leaks where we can see that in our daily life we just don't know, but we spend and we feel that we don't have enough savings. Step number 5, increase your income. Even if you save so much, until handle your income, whatever you earn, still we have to plan for earning your higher income through different passive income ideas, like going for an freelancing where we can able to go and do some job where we can get a extra payment, and doing and investing in some of the stocks where you can get as a dividend every month, or free affiliate marketing where you can able to do some of the things where you can get your payment for every month. So these are the some of the passive income ideas that you can include to generate little more income to build your proper savings. Build consistent saving habit. Your system alone will help you to save consistently. So instead of struggling, let's see how we can save every month automatically. First, automate your savings. When you start your savings automated, it will help you to generate your future wealth. So it is more important. Have your clear goal. Whatever numbers you have, either 5,000 or have, make your goal where you are going to save it consistently. Next is use separate account or sinking fund. Make one for emergencies and one for your saving account where you can automate and generally transfer it. Track your progress. At least have tracked whether you are investing, and at least 3 months you have started done. Make it as a worthwhile where you can see that growth to build your future. What 5,000 a month can actually become? Let's take an example. Even if you have rupees 5,000 in isolation and small, every month over a year it grows to 60,000. Even you don't have that money before. This 60,000 every year, when you start investing for 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, your money compounded over a period of time, and it will help you to secure your future. It is not getting a rich quick, but a system where you take a small consistent efforts to build your wealth. If you remember nothing from this video, remember this: savings start from your system, not from high salary. When you invest a small amount every month consistently, can able to grow your long-term wealth. Earn more, spend intentionally, save consistently. That will give you your long-term game where you can able to build your investment. Follow this and start implementing in your life. So here your action plan. Track your spending, follow up your budgeting rule that fits your life, pay yourself first, and find out the hidden leaks that help you here build a proper money management system. You don't need a higher salary to start, you just need your next paycheck. So comment below what one thing that stopped you from building your investment, and if this video helped you a little, hit and subscribe and share with someone that need this to hear today. Thank you. See you with the next video.